Good morning, students. Today I am going to start exercise 3.3. In the previous class we have studied exercise 3.2. Now we'll see exercise 3.3. Students, so let us start exercise 3.3. Go to question number 1. Given a parallelogram ABCD, complete its statement along with the definite property used. Okay, so see the diagram first. Here you see and seen the diagram. In that, just see here, students, see carefully. Two diagonals are drawn, this one and this one. Yes or no? And it is marked as O. Yes, so AD, question is asked, AD is, see, you know, AD is equals to this BT, angle DCB. This angle DCB is equals to angle DAB. बट अकॉर्डिंग हम जानते हैं कि इस तरीके से, बट फॉर वॉट, यू नो, अपोजिट साइड्स और अपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल इन मेजर. यस और नो? पैरेललोग्राम में इतना तो आपको पता ही होगा. सो AD which is given, AD is equals to this BC. Understood this? See the diagram first. Now see carefully. This AD is equals to this BC. Yes, and angle DCB is angle, this C is E. So DAB, angle DCB is equals to angle DAB. Yes, now for the third one, OC. Where is OC? This one. OC is equals to, wait a second, student. OC this OC is equals to what? So you know that formula. See here, this diagonal is drawn. Yes or no? That is A dash O dash C. Yes or no? AO is प्लस OC इक्वल्स टू AC. ये तो आपको पता ही होगा. सो OC क्या होगा? सो OC इज, ये OC हाफ है, तो दिस OC इज इक्वल्स टू दिस OA. अंडरस्टूड? यस और नो? नाउ सी फोर्थ वन, angle DAB plus angle CDA means what? Angle this DAB plus angle which DCB. DAB plus DCB is equals to, दोनों को प्लस करेंगे तो व्हाट विल बी देयर? इट इज़ 180, क्योंकि फोर साइड्स इज इक्वल्स टू हाउ मच डिग्री? 360 डिग्री. सो टू साइड्स का कितना होगा? इट मीन्स दैट 180 डिग्री. सो दिस बोथ एंगल्स प्लस करेंगे तो इट विल गिव्स 180 डिग्री as adjacent angles are supplementary, you know. Yes, now go to question number 2. See the question number 2. Consider the following parallelograms. Find the values of the unknown x. Here the x is given and all the questions, see carefully, x, y, z. Only 1 degree is given. All the three sides, if we are getting plus, we are adding, it will give total 360 degree. Yes, but here what we have to do? Opposite sides. First you have to see that opposite sides are means adjacent angles are supplementary. So here what we will do for the first one, see, I will explain only one, you do it by your own other questions. Now see first one, this which is the adjacent angles here, this x and this b, c and b. So what will be there? That is x plus this 100 is equals to 180 degree, because adjacent angles are supplementary. Yes, so what will be the value of x then? Therefore x equals to 180 degree minus 100 degree gives 80 degree. Got the answer? Now in the same way we have find out the value of x. So see, if we find out this angle x, the opposite angle of this c is what? That is a. So what will be the answer of z? It will be also be 80, because these are the opposite angles. Understood? Yes or no? Okay, in the same way Second one also we can trace if we had find out B. So opposite of B is what? That is D. So it will also be a 100 degree because these are the opposite angles. Okay, understood? In the same way you can do the other questions also. Okay, similar way, find the similar method, take the similar method and do the solution. Okay, now go to question number 3. Now see question number 3. Can quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram? ABCD क्वाड्रिलेटरल दिया है, वो पैरेललोग्राम है कि नहीं? अगर इफ़ एंगल D प्लस एंगल B इज़ इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री. सो यहाँ पे सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे. जस्ट सी द सॉल्यूशन, हाउ द सॉल्यूशन इज़ डन. सी ये थियरी बेस्ड है ऑलमोस्ट. एंगल D एंगल B इज़ गिवन 180 डिग्री. सी इन द क्वेश्चन इन द क्वाड्रिलेटरल में पूछा है क्वाड्रिलेटरल ABCD. ओके, ये मे बी पॉसिबल हो सकता है कि पैरेललोग्राम भी होगा और मे नॉट बी पॉसिबल दैट इट इज़ नॉट अ पैरेललोग्राम. ओके, सी द कंडीशन इज़ व्हाट, मेन कंडीशन उसका क्या होना चाहिए? क्वाड्रिलेटरल भी हो सकता है और पैरेललोग्राम हो भी सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता है, बट कंडीशन उसका क्या होना चाहिए? उन लोग का सबसे में फर्स्ट थिंग इज द सम ऑफ द मेजर एंगल्स ऑफ द एडजेसेंट एंगल्स. ओके, एडजेसेंट एंगल्स ऑलवेज बी 180 डिग्री. okay, the first one. Second is what? Opposite angles should be the same measure. Opposite angles जो होंगे वो same measurement होने चाहिए. okay, then क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड के लिए है, सॉरी सेकंड के लिए. क्वेश्चन सेकंड में पूछा है ए बी इज इक्वल्स टू डी सी इक्वल्स टू 8 सेंटीमीटर, ए डी इज़ 4 एंड बी सी इज़ 4.4 सेंटीमीटर. यहाँ पे क्या है? अपोजिट साइड्स दैट इज़ ए डी बी. क्या है? अपोजिट साइड्स जो है ए डी और बी सी डिफरेंट लेंथ के हैं. ये सर नो, ए डी एंड बी सी आर डिफरेंट लेंथ, सो वी कैन नॉट से दैट दिस इज़ अ पैरेललोग्राम. इसके वजह से कंडीशन हमारा दो है कि सम ऑफ द मेजरमेंट्स ऑफ द एडजेसेंट एंगल्स 180 डिग्री होनी चाहिए एंड द साइड्स एंड अपोजिट एंगल्स शुड बी द सेम मेजर. यस, फॉर द थर्ड वन एंगल ए इज 70 डिग्री और एंगल सी इज 65 डिग्री. हियर अपोजिट एंगल्स ए एंड सी ऑल्सो हैव डिफरेंट मेजर्स, सो वी कैन से दैट इट कैन नॉट बी अ पैरेललोग्राम. यस, we can go for the see question number 4. Question number 4 is also as same, do it by your own. Okay, now go to question number next. Question number 5. Question number 5 is almost, it is also same like, but then also explaining. Now see the question number 5. The measure of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram is in the ratio that is 3:2. Find the measure of the each angles of the parallelogram. Here we have to find out the angles of the parallelogram, that is all four sides. Okay, so first we'll see the adjacent angles. Okay, let the measures of two adjacent angle, that is angle A and angle B, are in the ratio 3:2. So let A is taken, it is 3:2. So let A angle will be 3x and angle B equals to 2x. Now what we have to do? We have to see the adjacent angles first. The adjacent angles give the sum of the adjacent angles is 180 degree. Therefore angle, sorry, angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degree. Yes or no? No. So angle A is what? 3x. Angle B is 2x equals to 180 degree. Yes or no? 3x plus 2x is how much? That is 5x. So 5x equals to 180 degree. Now put this 5 below. So x equals to 180 degree divided by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 6 are 30. So what will be the value of x? That is 36. Yes, we had got the value of x, 30, x equals to 36. Now what we have to do? We have to put the values here in 3x and in 2x. So 3x equals to what? That is 3 into 36. See कैसे करेंगे? See, एंगल ए कितना है? 3x है. Yes, so 3x is means what? 3 into x value is what got the 36. So angle A equals to 3 into 36. What will get the answer? That is 108. Angle A or angle C? Angle A and angle C is equals because these are the opposite angles. Okay, in the same way, question. Next question, angle B. Angle B is also equals to angle D because of the opposite angles. That is equals to how much? 2x. Now what we have to do? We have to put the values. 2 into 36. What will be the answer? That is 72. So what will be the total degree? That is the total measurement is 108, 72, 108 and 72. Got the answer, students? In the same way, do the question number 6 also. Okay. Now see the 7th question. See the question 7 carefully. The adjacent figure HOP is a parallelogram. Find the measure of x, y and z. State the properties you used to find them. Here we have to see which properties we had used. Okay, so how we are going to see the diagram is given. Yes or no? This is the diagram. Yes or no? All the angles is given. This is outer 70 degree, 40 degree and this is z, this is x and this is y. See here also parallelogram में दो different हो जा रहा था, 2 triangles बन सकता है. Yes or no? So y is equals to how much degree? ये साइड है. So y equals to 40 because alternate angle है. क्या है ये? Alternate angle है. See, ये वाई एंगल और ये साइड का एंगल, ये साइड है, ये साइड है, तो इसके साइड का ये अपोजिट एंगल्स होगा तो इट मीन्स ये ऑल्टरनेट एंगल होगा. सो वाई इक्वल्स टू 40 डिग्री होगा बिकॉज ऑफ द ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट इज 70 डिग्री विच गिवन 70 डिग्री दिया है. दिस 70 डिग्री प्लस दिस z डिग्री, दिस वन, दिस डिग्री एंड दिस डिग्री विल गेट what we'll get and this 40 degree also we have to add this both degree and this one. So what will be the answer? This is why we are putting this, because of the corresponding angles. Okay, so z equals to this 70 degree and minus this 40 degree, this one and this one. Okay, so what will be the answer? That is 30 degree. Okay, yes, in the same way further also we will do x plus z plus, next x plus z plus this one. So we will get the total answer 180 degree. Okay, so we are finding the formulas by using the properties alternate interior angles and corresponding angles. Okay students, question number 7 done. Now go to question number 8. Question number 8 is also similar. The following figures are there. The following figure GUNS and RUNS are the parallelogram. Find x and y length are in centimeter. See, यहाँ पे लेंथ कितने में दिया है? सेंटीमीटर्स में दिया है. ओके, now what we have to do here? First see students, see carefully. What we know, see, आपको इतना तो पता है कि पैरेललोग्राम में अपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ जी एंगल्स जो होंगे वो इक्वल होंगे. ओके, अपोजिट साइड से अपोजिट एंगल्स वो इक्वल होंगे. ओके, यस और नो? सो see, GU, this GU is equals to this SN. yes or no? तो GU कितना दिया है? 3y माइनस 1. सो यहाँ पे ये भी 3y माइनस 1 इक्वल्स टू दे है, तो 3y माइनस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू, ये हमारा पुटअप हो गया 3y, दैट इज़ ये दिया है GU इक्वल्स टू SN. तो GU है 3y माइनस 1, SN क्या दिया है? 26. Now what we have to do? We have to put the values. Now minus 1 will be shifted this side, that is 26 plus 1 is how much? 27. So 3y equals to 27. So y equals to 27 divided by 3. What will get the answer? That is 9. Yes, we'll get the answer. The y equals to 9. Yes or no? In the same way, next also we'll see opposite sides. This one SG, this SG is equals to this, and u. So SG equals to NU. SG is what? That is 3x. What is NU? That is 18. Yes, 18 is given. So how will you are going to do? 3x equals to 18. Therefore x equals to 18 divided by 3. So what will be the value of x? That is 6. 3 6 are 18. Yes or no? Got the answer, student? Now see, we had done first one. In the same way you can do the second question also, but further also we have to do. So here we have find out the value of x and y. X is 6 centimeter and y is 9 centimeter. Okay, in the same way do the second question also. Okay, question number 9. Now see the question number 9, student. See the diagram first. In the above figure, both RISK and CLU are the parallelograms. We had to find out the value of x. See students, question is easy. इतना मत सोचो कि हार्ड है. ओके, यहाँ पे आपको पता है कि एडजेसेंट एंगल सप्लीमेंट्री होता है. ये चीज़ आपको पता ही होनी चाहिए. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला, दिस rule. So adjacent angles are supplementary of the parallelogram. So in parallelogram, which parallelogram? See RISK. Where is RISK? See R I S and K. This one. Here we are just adding angle RKS, this angle, this first angle, and after that we will add this angle ISK, this ISK. Okay, so because adjacent angles हैं इसलिए, so that will give 180 degree. Yes, now what we are going to do here, one diagram 120 is given, that is angle RKS, that is 120 degree. Therefore 120 degree plus this ISK equals to 180 degree. So what will be the answer? That is 180 minus 120 degree. What will be the answer? 60 degree. So we can say that angle ISK is 60 degree. Okay, now see, opposites angles or equal in parallelogram. Okay, so CLU in parallelogram, CLU, this one, see CLUE. ना हम लोग ये वाला देख रहे हैं. ओके, हियर ऑल्सो सेम. यहाँ पे एक दिया हुआ है, तो टू एंगल्स को हम लोग को प्लस करना है. एंगल ULC एंड इक्वल्स टू कर रहे हैं एंगल ULC एंगल CEU. ULC ULC is equals to angle CEU. ये एंगल 70 है, तो ये एंगल भी 70 होगा. सो वी कैन से दैट एंगल ULC is equals to angle CEU, that is 70 degree. So you can know the sum of the all interior angles of triangle 180 डिग्री होगा. तो वॉट वी हैव टू डू, अभी जो भी हम लोग ने फाइंड आउट किया x डिग्री प्लस दिस 60 डिग्री एंड 70 डिग्री जो हम लोग ने फाइंड आउट किया है. ओके, 60 70 और प्लस x डिग्री एंड फाइंड आउट किया इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री होगा. सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? x इक्वल्स टू इतना हो गया. यू कैन फाइंड ना. यस, 6 plus 70 is how much? 130 degree. Write down all these exercise in your notebook. Okay, question number 11 12 is similar. Okay, thank you.